I'm about to dive into a full review for you on Tor Wallet. This wallet is something I've been using recently and is incredible, okay? There's a reason all influencers and YouTubers are talking about this wallet right now. So guys, let's get straight off this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. Let's rock and roll. So here it is, Tor Wallet. Guys, the first thing you'll notice on TorWallet.app is the contract address. Please only use this one. Use that copy button right there and only use the real contract address. So zero tax and true decentralized wallet. That is what we've got here, okay? Web wallet live on Google Play, App Store, and the web. Privacy is power, stop being monitored, and trading on Uniswap. We got Ethereum BNB, which is encrypted with empowerment, keeping your identity intact with Tor Wallet, a tap away from having the ability to pay anyone in fiat or crypto anonymously, working on or offline, okay? What they pride themselves in is minimal design and maximum functionality. So guys, I'm gonna go through all the features and exactly what you get with this wallet and why we should be using this wallet rather than other wallets online. So it's completely anonymous, IRIS, biometric encryption, two-factor authentication, 100% decentralized, no KYC, which is fantastic, no data collection, 24/7 global support. It's an artificial intelligence program on the blockchain which stores and distributes AI models for an audit trail. So combining AI and blockchain enhances data security intelligence, having daily review, getting daily revenue through mobile mining and by watching adverts every single day. You're actually going to be rewarded for watching adverts every single day through this wallet. Now, it's got true decentralization, provides true decentralization, allowing no way of being hacked, compromised, or KYC requirements like other competitors, and you can stay completely anonymous, okay? Managing fiat and crypto while you trade, pay, or save has never been easy until this wallet was made. It's a tap and pay, okay? So you're gonna be able to actually tap just like with any other card that's contactless with this wallet today in any of the stores, okay, and using your money. And encryption is perfect. The Tor Wallet provides high quality security encryption, allowing no concern or breaches within the house of cybersecurity expertise. Now, privacy is a right, not a luxury. I love that quote because Tor helps you maintain a private and secure life. Etherscan, DexView, PinkSafe, CoinScope, SolidProof, just some of the ecosystem around this. Okay, and coming very soon is the utility-based NFT projects. Now guys, when you go over to their Twitter, let's have a little look at that. Make sure you do give them a follow and let them know you're from this channel. They've got over 4,000 followers already and they only joined last month in February, okay? Go on there and have a look at what they're saying. They have announcements all the time, okay? And major announcements coming out on their Twitter for their marketing campaign. And there's a lot of different announcements towards with BTC, ETH, BNB, whatever it is, okay, they announce it on there. So please go on and have a look and keep up to date. If you want to stake Tor, okay, on this wallet, there's 678,000+ already staked. You get a 50% APY. Simply just click on the staking side on the website, connect your wallet, and approve the transaction. Guys, if you want to dive into the white paper, please click the white paper, do your own research as always. Go in there yourself and have a little look about exactly how you can make money through this, okay? Passive income is the way that we're looking. And if you want to go to the web wallet, really easy, just click on web wallet and it's going to load that up for you. You're just going to make an account, sign up. It's right down here if you haven't got an account, or just log in. Now, Tor Wallet's P2P marketplace provides users with a much greater control. Okay, the privacy and security in the cryptocurrency transactions are more secure. As Tor Wallet's signature's goal is to actually provide safety and privacy to the P2P marketplace, okay, the decentralized platform, meaning that there is no central authority intermediaries involved at all. This actually increases security and privacy for all of the users using the wallet. This allows to have lower fees, okay, by eliminating intermediaries. The Tor Wallet P2P marketplace actually offers lower fees and transactions compared to any of the other centralized platforms. This can help users saving money and buying crypto, keeping everything to do with your journey completely flexible. Before I jump over to the summary, okay, I just want to talk to you a little bit about the marketplace that is available with Tor Wallet. It is a P2P marketplace giving you great control and anonymous with ability to use the marketplace at its full potential. There is obviously no central authorities here. It's a completely decentralized marketplace. Very low fees, low transactions fees, and everything else that Tor brings along with it. So guys, please check that out as well. You want to dive into their socials, you want to hit the link down below to get involved with this project. There you go, guys. The links will be under this video if you want to get involved with that. Okay, please do me a massive favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Do your own research, and I'll see you on the next video.